What's up, YouTube? I'm back on my, I don't know what we got lost count because keep by drop bangers. Today I will be doing a mukbang. It's a restaurant in New Orleans called Hooks. They sell catfish, po' boy. I got me a po' boy, some fries, Sprite, and don't ask me what's in my cup.
Honestly, it ain't nobody's business what's in my cup, what's in your cup, what's in their cup.
It might don't be just Sprite, man. Double cup all day, you already. Double cup all day. Today this video will be about the reason why I started YouTube. The purpose of me why I'm starting YouTube. So before I get into the video, remember, press the like button, press the sub button, comment down what type of video I want, and comment down them sevens. P7 game. Let's get into the video. Alright. So I've been knew about YouTube like a long time ago, like years ago. I'm 21 years old, but I bet the only thing I used to watch on YouTube is like music videos, like rappers when they drop music videos. So I ain't really know about like actual YouTubers. I thought like you gotta rap to be on YouTube. So in 2018, and when I learned about YouTubers like creators, so I'm like, they really funny. Like they doing pranks, they doing challenges, they vlogging with their life. Like you don't got to show your whole life, the whole 24 hours. You just show different parts. So I'm like, I really like this. Like my passion was football. When I was in high school, I wanted to be a football player, but that ain't work out. So I'm like, what to do? Like, I'm like, college. I went to college. Like, that's not for me. So I'm like, I don't want to be working at 9 to 5 my whole life. So I'm like I work at 9 to 5 right now. Like nothing wrong with working at 9 to 5. Like you gotta do what you gotta do. Like, I gotta do what I gotta do for right now. So, but like YouTube, like they making different. They meeting different people, like networking. I'm seeing all type of stuff. So I'm like, this is what I like. This is what I should do. But like I've been know about YouTube since 2018, but I just ain't never start. So the real reason why I'm starting YouTube is like I want to be on my own schedule. Cause like working at 9 to 5, you're not on your schedule. You're on their schedule. If you don't go to work, you might get fired. If you don't get fired, you mess with your own checkup. It's that I don't want to meet no people. I got good communication skills. It's like, and like I know they're dealing with the money and shit. Like, but I know I'm not even getting paid right now. So yeah, but like I really I got a passion for YouTube. Like I sit for hours and hours, like really researching YouTube, like background YouTube, how YouTube work, how everything works. Like I really sit up and do all that. Like I know so much about YouTube, and like I downplay myself. Like I could have been started YouTube, but I was just playing around. Shit, like I'm not even eating my food, y'all. I'm just talking. I don't like tomatoes. I forgot to tell them don't put tomatoes on my food, y'all. Good.
God! Wow!
New Orleans, we got the best food, y'all. you're not from New Orleans, or if you never visit New Orleans, come visit because it's so much to do down here. Well, maybe to you, I did most of everything, but the food, you know, top of the line. So back to what I was saying, y'all. Like, I now play myself. Like, I could have been started YouTube, but we're playing around. I ain't had confidence in myself. I was gonna like, but like over time, I got confidence in myself now. Like, so, about to work hard, about to upload consistent, like about to do collab with people, like whatever it takes for me to be at the top. I'm gonna do. I'm gonna sacrifice on stuff. Yeah. Like, I really watch YouTube. Like, I play the game and stuff, like Madden and everything, but like, when I'm not playing games, I'm on YouTube, like, watching all the YouTube I like. New York John's video, music video. My favorite YouTuber is King Kaza. I really want to work with you, bro. If you ever see this, I really want to work with you, bro. It's so much YouTube. I like Funny Mind. I like Corey. I like Nael. I like who else I like? I like Dre. YouTube on the budget. Joy Activity. Like, it's so much YouTube I watch. Like, I really love YouTube. Like, so I'm like, I watch YouTube every day. I know so much about YouTube, the background and stuff. Why not do it? Why not do it? Cause like, you could do something that you don't like and you're gonna hate it. And like, I mean, I'm doing YouTube right now. I just started. And I'm just talking to a camera. And like, I know eventually my hard work gonna pay off. And you know, eventually my hard work gonna pay off, and like, I'm gonna achieve my goals and everything. And I know the money gonna come in eventually. I'm not really worried about the money right now, but I want to change lives. Like, since I had younger, that was my dream to change lives. Like, I want to change my life. I want to change my family life, my friends, and like, I also like want to like help like the homeless. I want to help like homeless animals in the shelters. I want to help people with cancer, different other diseases, people in different countries. I want to help so many people. That's the real purpose of me really starting to like me to be on my own schedule and help people. Like, really help people. Like, I won't be like Mr. Beast, something like that. Like, helping people, like change people's lives, make people happy. Like, during this time, like, people lost their jobs, people lost their houses. Like, there's so much stuff going on right now. Like, in the future, I want to be able to help people out, make people deal, make people happy. So that's the real reason. And meeting new people and having fun. Like, I want to do something where I can have fun. Like, me working a 9 to 5. I hate working a 9 to 5. I really hate it. Like, me knowing I gotta wake up in the morning to work for somebody else, I hate it. But with YouTube, you your own boss. Like, you go upload what video you want. Like, for me, you gotta follow YouTube policy, but really, you gotta your own boss. Like, so I want to do something that can make me happy. Want me to wake up, be like, ooh, I want to record a video. I want to edit the video. Like, be happy. Like, and also, I'm a rock star. Like, I want to live a rock star life. Like, you know, I want to live a rock star life. Like, you know, I just want to be successful. Some people's definition of successful, like, they just want money. Like, my definition of successful is, yeah, it's money. I want to be my own. Like, it's money, your own schedule, happiness, like a peace of mind, like just living life to the fullest, without negative, without BS, like just go throughout every day, like live a wonderful life. So I just want to live a happy life without like nothing. So that's the real reason why I really want to start YouTube. And remember this face, y'all, because the face will be all over YouTube. And I'm not playing, y'all. I'm not playing. I'm about to upload, I'm about to do everything I gotta do to be at the top. And so I think this is the end of the video. I told y'all the reason why I started YouTube. And yeah, but remember, I'm gonna fight in the video. Remember, press the like button, press the sub button, comment down what type of video I want. And thank y'all for watching me. Thank y'all for the support. Peace out. Peace out again. Let's go.
Now tell me how I'm wrong. When you didn't believe, no, you didn't believe. Now you gotta watch me peak. Watch me peak.